Hello, my name is Henry Renfrey, and I'm going to show you how to use the Xampp localhost server. First thing you do is go to Google, search for Xampp. You click on this site. You could either access this site through Google, like we just did, or you could access it through this address right here. Next, on this page, download Xampp. I like to save mine on my desktop. Now it's downloading. Next, double click to install. Click OK. If everything looks all right to you, then go ahead and agree with everything. Keep clicking next. And this is going to take a while to install. And after everything installs, click finish. After it downloaded, it automatically launch it like that. Or you can start menu, look for Xampp, and click on the control panel. And then I usually like to click start on Apache and the MySQL. I minimize that. Then I go to my C drive, go to my Xampp folder, go to htdocs, and then I take this index.php file. We don't need this, and we don't want to use this because we're going to make our own. So, and I don't delete it. Rather than delete it, I just put it in this folder here. And then I take my file, make sure it's an index.php file. This is my index.php file. When dealing with the server side, I always like to use .php instead of .html. That's what I saved as, like so. And I want to bring over the Phaser game engine. So I just take all my files from my Phaser folder, which is on my desktop, and then just drag it over to my htdocs folder, the one that we opened from our C drive to Xampp to htdocs folder. And then after that, I go to Google Chrome, try localhost, hit enter, and bam, my Phaser game engine started. It's just that Google Chrome is reading from this index file. And that's how you do it. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.